Vocational College Live is a special needs college in Helsinki, Finland. We have over 1,000 students and approximately 300 staff members. Study groups are small, only 12 students with one teacher and one instructor. We provide individual supported teaching in various vocational fields, for example, car mechanics, catering, practical nurse studies and warehouse studies. And now we meet two property maintenance students.
Hello, my name is Johannes. I'm studying proper maintenance in this school. My school group is tiny. It's not a big, but it's a funny group of my favorite groups. I like to study here because it's fun, because I like to study in my study place. My works are simple enough. They're not big, they're not like difficult. There's so many different things what I can do. Sometimes I'm lazy. Sometimes I don't do so much work, but when it's something big or something that we need to do, I will do it. Because some of my groups don't wanna do it, or I'm only one who is there wanna do it, then I will be fine with it because I love to do big works or big things on my group. In my study groups on different situations, sometimes they ask me what is the time to go or leave. My group is that how it works. So it's like a good teamwork as my group. That's why I like to study on this group in this area, this school.
Opettajat ja ohjaajat on mukana työnteossa, neuvomassa mukana. Opiskelu on pääasiassa käytännön tekemistä. Tehdään esimerkiksi lumenluontia, haravointia, pieniä korjaus- ja kunnostustöitä ja lämpöpattereiden ilmausta esimerkiksi.